study chapter number 2, Geography, Physical Features of India. The learning outcome to categorize the different ranges of Himalayas. So there are three ranges. To describe the three ranges of Himalayas, the Great Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas, and the Shivaliks. To explain the formation of northern plains, to differentiate between eastern and western Ghats, to locate the different physical features of India on its map, and to list out important peaks and dunes, etc. The entire chapter covers the major physiographic divisions, the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, and the islands. First, we have the Himalayan mountains. These mountains are geographically young and structurally fold mountains. They run in a west to east direction from the river Indus to river Brahmaputra. They cover a distance of about 2,400 kilometers, forming an arc. And if we go for the width, it differs from 400 kilometers in Kashmir to 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh. We can see the three ranges, the Great Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas, and the Shivaliks in this map. The Great Himalayas are broader ones. Then we have the Lesser Himalayas, and in the last we have Shivalik. So the altitudinal variations are greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. You have just now seen the three parallel ranges, Himadri, Himachal, and Shivaliks, we are going to study today. We can see the map. This map is also given in your books, NCERT. The entire Himalayan part is given. All the three ranges we can see, the Great Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas, and the Shivaliks. The Great or Inner Himalayas are also called Himadri. In India, we have Kanchenjunga as the highest peak, which lies in this. It has a height of 8,598 meters. This range is a continuous range consisting of the loftiest peaks, means the highest peaks, and the height of these peaks is on an average about 6,000 meters. It contains all the prominent Himalayan peaks. We have the Mount Everest also in this. It lies in Nepal. Then we have K2, Kanchenjunga. All these belong to the Himalayan peaks. The folds of these mountains are asymmetrical in nature. Now the word asymmetrical means one which does not follow symmetry. In geometry you have learnt about different symmetrical figures. Like if we draw a triangle in geometry and divide it in two parts, from in between, the one part can overlap the other. But the mountains are not like that. They cannot overlap if we divide them from in between. That is why we say that the folds are asymmetrical in nature. The core of the mountains composed of granite. They are snowbound. They are covered with snow throughout the year and are having glaciers. The second range is the Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas. It composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. The height here is between 3,700 to 4,500 meters and the width is about 50 kilometers. The important ranges of this consist of Pir Panjal, Dauladhar and Mahabharat. It also consists of the valleys, the valley of Kashmir, the Kangra, the Kullu valley in Himachal Pradesh. So this is well known for its hill stations. The outer range, that is Shivaliks. We can see here the yellow highlighted range. You can easily see on the map. The width here is 10 to 50 kilometers, whereas the height is between 900 to 1100 meters. It is composed of unconsolidated sediments. Valleys here are covered with thick gravel and alluvium, and the longitudinal valleys are Dehradun, Kotledun and Patledun. Then the Himalayas can also be divided from west to east on the basis of the rivers. We have Punjab Himalayas lying between the Indus and the Satluj, Kumayu Himalayas lying between Satluj and the Kali River, Nepal Himalayas, they lie between Kali and Tista, and Assam Himalayas, they lie between Tista and Dehang. Through this image, on the map it is very much clear. First is the Himalayan Punjab Himalayas, then Kumayu, then Nepal and Assam. So this division is between the rivers. The Purvanchal. It is beyond Dehang. So beyond the Brahmaputra river and Dehang Gorge is the Purvanchal. We can see here where exactly is the Purvanchal. You can see it on the map. Look at this. Different ranges, right? So this Purvanchal is in the northeastern states. It is composed of sandstones. That's all for the session today. Thank you.